Alright, welcome back guys. So today we are talking about the Cash App, and more specifically on this video in this series, we're going to be talking about where can you use the Cash App. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the app. It's the green one right there, and I'm going to open it up right now. Alright, so we're inside the Cash App now, and this is a question I get really often, and that is, where can you use the Cash App? Because there's a lot of payments that you can use through the phones these days to pay at places like McDonald's, Burger King, some gas stations, things like that, but the Cash App is not one of them. So this app is set up more like a peer-to-peer payment system or cash transfer system, things like that. It's not really set up to pay restaurants or gas stations, things like that. So there is a way that you can use it at places like McDonald's or Macy's and retail stores, things like that, but it's not specifically through the app itself. So if you go to, let's just use McDonald's for an example. If you go to McDonald's and you have money on your Cash App and you want to use it to pay for something, you can't. There's a couple of things you have to do first, and that is getting the Cash App Cash Card. So the Cash App Cash Card, that's something that you have to order. It usually takes maybe 1 or 2 weeks before you get it in the mail. And then once you've been approved for that, and once you have that, then yeah, you can actually use the Cash App balance at anywhere that they accept Visa, or at least most places that they accept Visa. And the way you do that, you can actually just go back and watch one of the other videos that I put up on how to order a Cash App Cash Card, but I'll just do a quick brief overview on that right now. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click right here on your balance. And then once you're in the balance, I've already ordered my card, so it doesn't give me that option. But if you haven't ordered your card, it's going to say something like get Cash App card or cash card, something along those lines. And then you click on there, and then you just go through the prompts. And once you get approved through that, then you'll get a Visa card. It's kind of like a debit card. You can set up a PIN number, and you could use it at retail locations like gas stations, McDonald's, retail stores like Foot Locker, basically anywhere you would typically use a debit card. So once that happens, then yeah, you can use the Cash App for regular purchases, but if you don't do that, then no, you cannot use this app, at least at the time of this recording, to pay for things like you do with like PayPal or Apple Pay, things like that. You would actually need to get the cards. So yeah, hopefully that answers your question. Basically, where can you use the Cash App? It's most places that accept Visa. Alright, so that's it. So hopefully you found the video useful, and if so, click subscribe, and so leave a comment if you know if there's somewhere else that you can actually use the Cash App aside from what we discussed in this video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.